All of you, welcome back once again. In this video I want to give a quick review of one of the project we have developed and published on our channel, and we got an amazing response from many of the students, and even we have published and provide the same project for many of our clients. So what I believe personally, that if you are a blockchain developer or if you wanted to become a blockchain developer, then building this kind of project will help you a lot to give you the fundamental understanding about the contract, that how you can build the bridge which is going to communicate with the smart contract and the blockchain, and you're going to provide the interface, because interface is not that important. The main feature of building this particular project or any decentralized application is your contract. First, you have to focus in the contract that what exactly you are developing, what is the business logic of that particular project. After that, you make things easy for the user so they can interact with your application, interact with your smart contract and perform the transaction. That's why we build front end. So if you are a full stack blockchain developer, it would be very helpful for you to get more opportunity in the industry, to get more project, whether you are an agency owner, freelancer, or you wanted to get into the company, because right now most of the companies want a developer who can provide end-to-end product. So if you are a full stack blockchain developer, it would be easy for you as compared to those who are pure smart contract developer, smart contract auditor, or any other field they work in the decentralized ecosystem. If you are a full stack blockchain developer, it would be very helpful for you to get into the company very quickly, and you can start your own freelancing project. Start talking about the decentralized application, that how exactly it's work, because it will showcase your knowledge, that you know something about the development and the requirement of this Web3 application. So if you're an absolute beginner, or if you really want to start from scratch, then I would highly encourage you to build this particular project in which you will master complete smart contract development, that how staking, how decentralized crypto finance exactly work, why we are giving so much impact to the financial system which is going to execute on the blockchain. Right now you can see it plays a huge role, financial system. So how it will work, how you going to give your contribution, how you can launch your product, how you can able to provide the feature, provide the tokens to your user, and they can add different business model on top of it. So this project is absolutely must for you. In this, I'll tell you what you're going to develop. So first, you're going to learn about the architecture, that how you have to build the architecture, because which you're going to build for the EVM compatible chain, which can be Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum. All the EVM compatible chain follow the same project structure. So this project will give you the idea that what packages you have to pick, how you have to design the architecture, what model you have to use for deploying and testing your contract, because that's one is important. Before you actually go live, you have to test. So this will give you a proper idea for this particular project. Then you're going to develop the smart contract, then you're going to deploy it, then you're going to build the bridge from the blockchain. You're going to write all the function which allow the user to communicate with the contract through the front end. You're going to also learn that how you can build HTML, CSS, and build a beautiful UI component where you can allow user to simply read about the project and perform all the transaction. So this project is absolutely must for every single one of you. If you haven't built this project, you have to include this, because this focus on decentralized finance, how you can add different business model to your token, because right now tokenized model is going to be the big thing in the future. You will find a lot of project will come which going to token the real world asset on the exchange, and based on that token transfer model or features is going to execute the value of that particular asset in the real world. So it's going to be a really big project for you. I know it's a close to 8 hours or 9 hours long project. Make sure to follow it. I have compiled this entire project in one video for all of you guys, so you can easily to navigate through that and build in one particular sequence. So that's the quick advice I want to give you all. If you really want to step it down into the crypto and blockchain development, then this project is absolutely must for you. Start building it. I'll provide you the link in the description so you can simply go to and start following straight away. This will help you. Just go through the models, download the starter file, look at the packages, the architecture we have designed, every single thing we have discussed extensively. You need 4 to 5 projects in your portfolio which can cover all the different models we have on the exchange. So if you add good 5 projects in your portfolio, you can call yourself a blockchain developer. Because ultimately when you will start working in the industry, there you're going to simply focus on the model, so focus on the requirement. And these 5 projects which we have on the channel, you can start with this, and you can add other project as well which we have on the channel, which you can simply follow it. So all of this project will give you the idea that how decentralized system exactly work, how contract work, how the authentication, and why it's called a decentralized network. So just follow this one. That's the quick thing I want to give you all. I will provide you the link in the description so you can simply come back here and start following straight away from scratch. Download the starter file, go through that. First, download the starter file, try to look at the structure we have utilized. After that, start building it. Just follow the tutorial step by step and try to pause it and understand. It will help you to recall the function, recall the ideas which we are discussing and the logic we have implemented. So that's the quick update I want to give you all. Just go through this project. It will help you a lot. With that, I'm ending this video. If you have any question, in our official email or in the comment section, we'll try to provide you all the details. So with that, I'm ending this. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.